Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in today's video I will show you the essential security settings you need to activate on your Android phone right now. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Play Store on your Android phone. Go to your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Play Protect. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button. It's as simple as that. By the time you come back here, it's going to scan all apps you have on your Android phone, and you will be told if there is any harmful app. As you can see in this tutorial, there is no harmful app, and this Android phone is fully scanned and protected by Play Store section. So make sure you activate this button. So last button you need to activate on your Android phone. So let's check it out. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to theft protection. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you activate this button. Turn on theft protection lock. How it works. If theft protection lock detects your device was taken from you, your device screen will lock automatically to prevent anyone from accessing your personal data. This feature uses your device's motion sensor and it is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection to try to detect if someone abducted, takes your phone and run away. Keep in mind, you must be actively using your device while it is unlocked. Simply click on on. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are two major active things you need to make sure you turn on and you make sure it's active on your Android phone for protection and maximum security of your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.